Wacker Nan EZ26. When you have to dig in extremely tight spaces, you can't do without machines like the EZ26 from Wacker Nan. It is an excavator with truly tiny dimensions, 8 feet high, 5 feet wide, and only 6 feet long. The advantages are obvious from the first glance. The cab does not exceed the size of the chassis, so the equipment is able to work close to walls and other obstacles. Sherpa 100 EHD. The industry of compact special-purpose machinery is expanding day by day, giving us the opportunity to view and study more and more interesting machines. Here is the Sherpa 100 EHD, a truly tiny multifunctional loader from the Netherlands. Its height does not exc, that means it can fit in an elevator or fit through a standard doorway. At the same time, surprisingly, it can lift loads weighing up to 770 pounds. Low vibration and noise levels, economical fuel consumption, and zero emissions are just some of the notable important features. It is much more interesting to watch the Sherpa 100 EHD at work because it is equipped with a wide variety of attachments. It can be used for dismantling, transporting, and loading bulk materials or pallets of cargo in just a few minutes. Palfinger BM. Forklift trucks are a common machine that can be found in almost every large and serious warehouse. As a rule, these machines are not particularly mobile and compact, but the Austrian company Palfinger decided to change the established order of things. BM is a special series of companies which consists of transportable forklifts. Almost all of them have a folding design and change the height several times. For example, the model BMW 154 in the transported state has a height of about 30 inches, and in the working state, almost 6 feet. Of course, this greatly simplifies operation and opens up many new opportunities. For example, a truck can be transported in a special compartment located between the rows of wheels. The maximum lift height and payload vary from model to model. In the previously mentioned BMW 154, it is 9 feet and 3,300 pounds. In any case, it does not take more than a couple of minutes to get it into working condition. Disassembly is done by a person, but not much is required. The folding compact design required the elimination of the operator's cab, so these models are operated remotely. Krona TH700. Returning to the machines used by public services, we simply cannot pass by the TH700 brush cutter from the French company Krona. This is a striking piece of machinery that can make an entire garden look tidy in just a few dozen minutes. The working tool is a boom with a row of 6 rotating blades. They effectively cut off excess branches and leaves, leaving behind a perfectly smooth surface. By the way, the model got its name not by chance. The boom has a special device so that the working height, both horizontally and vertically, is 23 feet. And engineers managed to expand the working capabilities of TH700 by introducing a movable chassis into the model. If the machine needs more stability, the tracks are moved to the side, and the width increases from 31 inches to 39 inches. Troma free. The demands for clean cities are constantly increasing, while sweepers continue to be bulky, uncomfortable, noisy, and generally not very efficient. At Finnish company Troma Tech, this situation has given rise to the Troma Free project, a new generation of sweeper that is unlike anything you've seen before. The first thing that catches the eye is the absence of an operator. The Troma Free is autonomous and uses GPS to navigate the terrain. The body is equipped with a large number of sensors that keep an eye on the surroundings. This means that if obstacles get in the way, the device stops and then looks for ways to get around it. The next advantage is the economical use of electricity. Troma Free needs only 15% of the amount of fuel that modern cars use. The machine travels at a speed of 5 miles per hour and on a working width of 7 feet picks up any garbage, from particles of sand and dust to cans, bottles, and bags. And yes, we almost forgot, Troma Free is quiet and does not create harmful emissions in the process. Graco Line Laser VS2000. The days when people had to manually mark the road, testing themselves for accuracy and precision are fading away. But technology like the one you see on your screens today is making life easier and better for people, increasing productivity and reducing costs. Graco's Line Laser VS2000 is by no means the largest and most productive machine on the market today. However, it has its own rather specific niche. Its compact size and excellent maneuverability allow it to handle jobs where larger machines can't. In particular, the Line Laser VS2000 is ideal for indoor marking, in warehouses or parking lots. Taking into account such a scope of application, the developers have made the model silent, with low vibration and harmful emissions. Trackless Vehicles Blower. Just as there are portable hand blowers, there are attachments for specialty vehicles with similar functionality. Canadian company Trackless Vehicles has developed this interesting attachment that attaches to a utility vehicle. As standard, it is equipped with a 12-inch nozzle from which a powerful stream of air is blown out. The manufacturer also offers a smaller diameter extended nozzle for more directional work and a narrowed nozzle, the air from which blows slower, but it has a larger usable working area. The nozzle angle can be adjusted directly from the cab so the operator does not have to leave the cab. Overall, this technique is ideal for parks, squares, playgrounds, and other areas with a lot of trees. One last advantage: versatility. In winter, the machine is not idle and can also be used for snow removal. Trilo T1. The last hero of today's video is another machine designed to keep the territory clean and tidy. This time it is an attachment that can turn any small truck into a powerful vacuum cleaner. It can be operated by a single person, maintenance costs are reduced, and the wide collection nozzle allows even large objects up to tall coffee cups to be sucked up. The main advantage of the Trilo T1 is that it frees you from the need to buy a separate cleaning machine, but allows you to adapt an existing vehicle to it. The result is a machine that is ideally suited for cleaning parks, roadsides, and golf courses. The small width allows the machine to pass even on narrow roads.